हेलो नमस्ते सादर प्रणाम। आज की इस वीडियो में वील बी टॉकिंग अबाउट द मोस्ट हार्श द मोस्ट बिटर ट्रूथ्स ऑफ लाइफ। ऑल्सो टू मेक द थिंग्स अनकॉम्प्लिकेटेड एंड अ बिट मोर इंटरेस्टिंग वी विल लिंक ईच हार्श ट्रूथ विद द लाइफ ऑफ वन पर्टिकुलर सेलिब्रिटी। कंफ्यूज्ड? Well, let's get into the video. So number one, the first harsh truth of life is love is not enough. Yes guys, you heard it right. आप लोगों ने बहुत बार सुना होगा कि सच्चा प्यार हो तो सब कुछ संभव हो जाता है, बट टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट ये बात सच नहीं है. Yes, love is an important or you can say the most important criteria to run a relationship, but is not enough to grow on the longer note. The real life example goes hand in hand with this year's IPL star Dinesh Karthik Papa. Many of you would be aware of his story. साल था 2007 जब 21 वर्षीय डीके ने अपनी चाइल्डहुड फ्रेंड के साथ शादी की. दिनेश कार्तिक, who was well successful and the part of the team, was double inverted commas loved by her. पर जैसे he was dropped and was not making well, even DK's love couldn't stop his very own wife from leaving him. जब तक जेब में पैसा है वो भी बोलेगी मेरा बाबू कैसा है. But it wasn't the end. You all know who is the boss now. Okay, now moving on to our second hard to digest pill, which is sometimes it's too late. Now, many a time things happen in the heat of the moment and later we are left with the regrets. रिग्रेट ये होता है कि कोई मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग थी तो क्लियर क्यों नहीं की, और अगर कोई बात आर्ग्यूमेंट में बोलने वाली थी तो वो क्यों नहीं बोल पाया. रिलेटेबल राइट? दिस फिट्स परफेक्ट इन द केस ऑफ मिस्टर कपिल शर्मा. आज की जनरेशन में आई थिंक कोई ही ऐसा इंडियन होगा जिसे ये ना पता हो कि कपिल शर्मा कौन है. When everything was going fine, कोई भी अपनी मूवी को कहीं और प्रमोट करने के बजाय उनके शो में जाना पसंद करता था. He was at the peak of his career. बट कहते हैं ना, कामयाबी कभी कभी बहुत कुछ छीन लेती है. कपिल शर्मा being drunk had a nasty interaction with सुनील ग्रोवर. कपिल verbally abused सुनील, जिसके कारण बाद में शो से शो की जान गुत्थी छीनी गई. After that, Kapil also made an apology in the public domain, but as I have said, sometimes it's too late. There are always some words which should have been spoken but are left unsaid, and some which were better never spoken. With this, we move to our third cold truth. We do our best but still fail. I guess this might be the most relatable harsh reality for all of us. Matter नहीं करता हम क्या कर रहे हैं. Either we play games, either we study hard, either we are willing to follow our passion. Every path has its own barricades. अगर हम किसी चीज़ पे मेहनत करते हैं और वो सक्सेसफुल नहीं होती, कोई शो करे ना करे, यार तो होता है यार. नाउ एग्जांपल्स तो इसके बहुत सारे हैं, बट आई विल गो विद डीनो जेम्स. मैन, व्हाट एन आर्टिस्ट. यू गाइज नो, मेरे नोन में एक आंटी थी जो व्हील चेयर पे थी. समवन प्लेड डीनो जेम्स लूजर सॉन्ग एंड शी स्टार्टेड रनिंग. इफ यू गाइज नो हु डीनो जेम्स इज, आप लोग जरूर वाकिफ होंगे उनकी इस कहानी से. एक अनजान शहर, जॉब्स मिलने में प्रॉब्लम, सब कुछ शैटर्ड होता हुआ दिखना, मेहनत और एफर्ट्स करके भी, एंड फिर भी एज ही कर्ट्स, हर कुत्ते का दिन आता है बे, तू तो फिर एक छोटा हाथी है. Moving on, we have our fourth naked truth, that is we can't please everyone. Now, imagine you are in your classroom and you have like 5 of your friends around you and you give them a proposal about going to a nearby park. उसमें से एक बंदा होगा जो बोलेगा है साले धूप देखी है, एक बोलेगा भाई लेक्चर लगाना है यार, कोई एक would agree to you and similarly बाकी दोनों की राय अलग होगी. Now, this structure of different opinions is common in every aspect of your life. Let it be your personal relationships, work culture or the working of the government. The conflicts in opinion would always arise if there are two people. Time to use the title celebrity now. Yes, this truth is witnessed by Carrie Minati. Now, if you properly analyze his career, you would come to know कि उनका content ऐसा नहीं है कि वो किसी को ट्रिगर ना करे. जो यूथ है, they always go gaga for him, they idolize him. कोई भी ऑनलाइन डिबेट होगी, कुछ भी होगा, ओए कैरी तारा बाप है, कैरी तारा माँ है. But on the other hand, the majority of the aged people or samarthaks would always criticize him if they are made to watch his content. Also, जिनको भी वो रोस्ट करते हैं उस बंदे का फैन बेस या उस बंदे की कम्युनिटी ऑटोमेटिकली कैरी को हेट देने लगती है. Keeping expectations are the core cause of any kind of misunderstanding or distance among two people. Your parents would want you to do well in academies. Your girlfriend would expect you to say things which are good to her ears. Your boss, your teacher, everyone is a part of this game. But when you certainly do not stand upon the expectations, you are either judged or you find yourself at the top of the mountain called guilt. Now, this point is a bit different from others because here we will be the one who would be the victim, the ones who would be harmed, and the model for this scenario would be played by none other than our former Indian captain and former Royal Challengers Bangalore captain Virat Kohli sir. We all remember the era where VK used to smash the F out of the opposition team and seemed almost unstoppable. This created an image on the cricket lovers that ओए अभी VK है ना फिर क्यों टेंशन ले रहा है आज इंडिया ही जीतेगा. His amazing cricketing skills made him the pillar of the team. But as a great dialogue says, with great powers come great responsibilities. With Virat Kohli, उसके कंधों पे फैंस की एक्सपेक्टेशंस का बोझ इतना ज़्यादा बढ़ गया कि he started choking in his performance. Since then, it's been almost 3 years we haven't seen a century from him. But we always owe to him for what he has done for the country. आगे चलते हैं 6th truth पे, that is what we say is essential. Now, you know what is the best way if you want your words to be taken seriously. The best way indeed is speaking or reacting less. You may have noticed जो बंदा हर बात में अपने opinions देता रहता है is comparatively assumed to be a clown. उसकी बात की वैल्यू कम हो जाती है. Now the celebrity element in this example is more of a comparison than a solo example. All the cricket lovers here from before 2010 era जो भी 2010 से पहले के क्रिकेट को फॉलो करते होंगे must be aware of the Australian cricket team and what was it capable of doing. Australian cricket team had a monopoly over the game in terms of skill and the captain of this team was Ricky Ponting. And on the other hand there was this young Jharkhandi boy named MS Dhoni. Now what you have to do is assume you are neither from India nor from Australia. Being a neutral person, if you see the behavior of both of these players, you would instantly judge who won your respect. The Australian team, regardless of having the best skill set, the best squad, didn't manage to earn the respect of the cricket lovers. जो काम उस समय का एक unexperienced लड़का कर पाया, वो काम उस समय के best squad नहीं कर पाया, just cause of what they said and how they behaved. The more we try to control everything about our lives, the more challenges we face. Letting go is the key to peace and happiness. Control is simply rooted into fear. We try to control things because of what we think will happen if we don't. Now, this may come as a surprise for you all, but the celebrity linked to this is Mahesh Keshwala aka Thagesh. अगर आप लोगों ने थगेश की वो 0 to 1 मिलियन वाली वीडियो देखी है तो आप लोगों को पता होगा उनकी जर्नी के बारे में. सिंपल थग लाइफ वीडियोस पे मोनेटाइजेशन बंद हो जाना, स्टेज पे टंग स्लिप होना, द टेस्ट ऑफ लूजिंग, दर दर के धक्के खाना, पढ़ाई का छूट जाना. बट एट द एंड ही सेज ही लेट गो कंट्रोल. ही डिडंट क्राई फॉर हिज लॉसेस. आखिर में ही सेज उनके बचे पैसों से ही बॉट एन DSLR एंड कंटिन्यूड इवन दो उनको उनके लुक्स पर गलत कमेंट्स भी आए. बट टुडे ही इज रेलिंग नेलिंग द यूट्यूब. सो गाइज, ये था आज का एक छोटा सा वीडियो बेस्ड ऑन बिटर बट प्रैक्टिकल ट्रूथ्स ऑफ लाइफ. वीडियो अगर अच्छी लगी हो तो कर देना लाइक, कमेंट और सब्सक्राइब. मिलते हैं जल्दी ही फिर एक ऐसी वीडियो में.